Hey everyone, Michael Gillis, the Gillies Team at RE/MAX Legacy. Today we're going to talk about title insurance. What is it, and is it something that I actually need? So in a nutshell, title insurance is protection for the owner of a property against unforeseen issues related to their title, which is their ownership interest in the property. And so the easiest way to explain what it is to give a couple of really quick examples. So if someone buys a property and is living there, paying their mortgage, they believe that's the only lien on the property, they go to sell that home, and then they find out that there was another lien recorded against that property for, say it's $200,000, that's not released. Well, their title insurance is there to make sure that they have some help dealing with that, whether it's help with getting things fixed at the county if something's incorrect, or whether it's hiring an attorney if that's what's needed. It's an unexpected thing, but it's really important that you've got that help and that support if you find out, where did this $200,000 lien come from that I didn't put on my own house. A couple of other quick examples: if you've got a couple of parties that are selling a house, say it's two business partners that had bought an investment property together, and one of those partners doesn't sign off, and that was a requirement based on their agreement. Well, you as the buyer may not know that, but then you find out 6 months after you bought the house that the second business partner didn't agree and didn't actually sign off on the sale of that house. Well, that puts your ownership interest into question, and you've absolutely got to have some support to get that taken care of. And then it could be something as simple as when you get a survey done for when you go to closing, you've defined your boundary lines and what your property is. Well, what if that survey was done incorrectly? If that's the case, your title insurance is there to protect your interest in the property. So it's something that doesn't always come up, but just like auto insurance, you don't expect to have a crash, but if you did crash your car, say 6 months into buying it without auto insurance, you'd be on the hook for a huge bill. It's the same thing with title insurance. Chances are you'll never use it, but in the event that you need it, it's a huge support, and it'll make sure that your ownership interest in your home, which is most people's largest investment, is protected. So there are lots of examples and lots of complicated ways that title insurance can be involved in supporting your ownership interest. So if you've got more questions, or if you're dealing with an issue like this, give us a call and let us know. We'd be happy to help or put you in touch with our title company. But just keep in mind, when you're buying a house and you hear that question from the title company, do you want title insurance? Chances are, yes, you do, or you should at least research it and make sure that you know what it is you're agreeing to. So if you have any more questions about this, it can be a complicated thing. Give us a call. We'd love to help you. We can put you in contact with the title company to answer more specific questions. And then, of course, as always, click on the links in our blog below and let us know if there's anything you need.